Good evening, my beauties and everybody else. Tonight I have something a little weird, confusing, different, mixed up. You choose. Anyways, I have recently collected a whole bunch of stuff. I got a small mystery box and something came in that I thought I canceled and it came in anyways. And then I got another box from Walmart.com of all places. In any event, so we're going to have an unboxing, an unbagging, and a few weird things to show off. Yeah. So this is what happens when you decide that you just want to try stuff. That's what happens. It's like, I want to try stuff. So you get stuff. And so this is going to be a little mishmash video instead of my usual specific. I do have coming up, I do have a Lore Beauty box and Ipsy, but those are going to wait. Those aren't going to be in this one. Sorry. So basically what I did was I kind of went all over on these sites like Wish and different sites like that, and just, I don't know, willy-nilly ordered things. And then I forgot about it. The mystery box, I'm putting that in quotes, because it only had 2 items in it. Both of them came, see, this is sort of more like a review, I guess. Both the items, they came in a bubble wrap envelope, but, okay, I'm going to show you what, okay, the boxes are crushed. Look at this. They come in, the boxes are crushed. Now, maybe they think, okay, who cares about the box? But I don't know. I do. Do you? So anyways, but what I did get for a $23 mystery box on Wish, 2 items, and I got wireless earbuds, and then I got this intelligence health bracelet. Now I'm not sure what the retail price on these are. This is what these look like, but I'll have to look that up. I have not opened these. I opened this, the intelligence health bracelet, because I had a Fitbit a while back and I wanted to see if this was anything like a Fitbit, and it sort of is. If you look, it comes with the band, like a Fitbit band, and then it comes with your little thing and a charger. So this is, and it comes with instructions, which I haven't yet looked at. So that's what I got. I got these 2 items for $23 total with shipping from, you know, mystery box wish.com. So I would think that even though these are not your high-end, you know, brand items, I would definitely guess that they're worth more than $23 for the both of them. Probably not much more, because they are like kind of no-name brands. But in any event, that's what I got there. I also got, and this is kind of interesting, a wart removing pen. Now this one I ordered on my own because it's actually for, like, I have moles and stuff in different places that I want to see if this gets rid of the moles. So I will have to go through and see, how do you work this, and does it work? I'll let you know. But this is a wart removing pen. I don't know why it says warts when it's, they say that it removes moles and blackheads and things like that. So, okay. Now, I had canceled my Mask Maven subscription because how many masks can one woman have? I mean, I like masks. Yeah, I like to do my face. They feel good. They make my face feel good. But I wanted to slow down a little. But they sent me one anyways. I got one anyways. They must not have gotten my cancellation. So we have masks galore here. And we're just going to go through them real quick, and then we will unbox our Walmart. So Walmart beauty box. So we're just going to go through these masks. We got lemon. We'll do these. It's so interesting how we got food for masks. I think this is, look at that, avocado. Oh, look at this. We got a tomato, whichever way you say it. You know, I still want to know who decided to put food on their face to see if their face would do better. Oh, look. Somebody threw a tomato at me and it landed on my face, and now look at how smooth my skin is. Maybe that's how it works. We have blueberries. These are all foods. Pomegranate. It's all foods. Macaroons. My goodness gracious. Another pomegranate. Lemon. And this one's different. A multi-area black O2 bubble mask. It'll be interesting trying these out. So that's the Mask Maven that I did not want, but I got it anyways. And I'm sure I will use these, or maybe give some away in my next giveaway. Who knows? Anyway, so we got that. And the only other thing that we have in this video, I just wanted to do a real quick kind of off the top video, is our Walmart beauty box. So let's see what's inside. Let's see. Does Walmart have good beauty supplies? What do we got here? Okay, let's see. Walmart Beauty. All right, and this must tell us what's in here. We have, what is this? Look at, what is this? What's that? Oh, Listerine Ready Tabs. Well, now that's an interesting product to put in a beauty box. Listerine, you can just take, boop, pop one in. Look, I got good breath now. Okay, interesting. Yep. Listerine Ready Tabs, $5.97 at Walmart. All right, the next thing we have is Suave Pink Smooth Performer. 3 little things in here. See that? We got those, and that is Suave Pink. These are very tiny, so these look like just sample, just a travel kit, travel size. Cleanse, condition, and style. So we got that, and that is $4.98 at Walmart. If you want just something to take with you when you go camping. There you go. And Cetaphil Sheer Mineral Sunscreen, SPF 50. This is really good if the sun ever comes out again. It has been raining for almost 2 weeks. Yep, we are flooded. Our basement had 5 inches of water. It's just been, at the barn, it's a swamp. My horse's paddock isn't too bad, but his shelter, which is a canvas, had water coming down. The canvas was like bowing down. I actually had to drill a hole in it and then watch all the water drain out. Anyway, so sheer mineral sunscreen. This is good. We like sunscreens. And this is just a little tiny. It says $14.49, but that's for the full size. This isn't the full size. Okay, and then what do we have here? It says Dance Now Lip Vibes. Dance Now Lip Vibes. Okay, and lipstick. All right. Dance Now Lip Vibes. Full size. This is a full size. $7.99. Colors will vary. Let's see if we can get this open. Oh, there we go. So we got our lip vibes from Walmart Beauty. That's a pretty pink color, huh? Nice little, yeah, I like that. That's a nice little color. I like pink. Dance Now, El May. And that's $7.99 at Walmart. And we also have Cetaphil Daily Scrub, a little tiny one. Extra gentle. Okay, what do we got here? Extra Gentle Daily Scrub. Full size, $7.94. 6 ounces. This one is 0.33 ounces, so this is nothing. But the full size is 6 ounces, and that's $7.94 at Walmart. These are just samples mostly. This doesn't look like a sample. Ah, okay, I see. This is, here we go, SE nail polish, which I don't use. So this will go in a giveaway or something. Okay. SE nail polish. And that, yeah, there's some other things on here, but they're not in the box. It's too bad because a NYX Filler Instinct Plumping Lip Color, that would have been a nice item to get. Yeah. This is actually not on the brochure. Okay, so that's the Walmart beauty box plus some other stuff, some interesting things. I just thought I'd share it with you because you never know. Some of this stuff might come in handy, and I will try this wart remover on some of my moles and do a video, and we'll see how that goes. It's supposed to take a little time. You put it in there, and then after a week or so. So we shall see. Well, I guess I got myself a health bracelet and some earbuds. Kind of cool, huh? You never know what you're going to find. It's interesting. Okay. Well, that was a nice, quick, short, fun little video, and I hope you have a really good night.